EA How To is the world's largest community of executive assistants. Most of what we do is online. Last year we ran 79 webinars. We had everything from workshops on imposter syndrome to Microsoft Copilot and everything in between. Tonight I'm going to be talking about the future of executive support in the face of the AI revolution.
Having found EA How To and having attended their webinars, I found that I had the community that supported me, that guided me, that counseled me, that listened to me and helped me through.
It's fantastic that it's online because everyone's calendars are different. Some people are morning people, some people are evening people. I love the fact that everyone is engaged, asking questions. You know that there is an absolute army of people on the webinar who can probably help you as well.
I love this group so much. The training pulled me in. The community has kept me in.
I really appreciate Alicia's vision. She's truly a visionary, and I think this community of EAs and people in leadership as well, I think has been truly groundbreaking.
The interview practice tips that are included within the resources are second to none, and I owe my career largely to EA How To.
The sessions are never too long, but they're just right, they flow perfectly, the contents are very timely, they're very relevant, and they're very useful. Overall, what a great venue, what a great day.
It's helped me a lot because it makes me very confident that I have all the tools that I need to do my job excellently.
When you become a member of EA How To, you tap into this worldwide network of talented, helpful, friendly people who support each other and cheer each other on.